the special call. Are there any deferrals, additions, or deletions? Any modifications to the agenda? Okay, seeing none, we are now in public comments. Madam Clerk, please read the rules into the record.
Yes, good evening and welcome to the special call. Let me just read the following. All the public comments will be heard at the beginning of the meeting, and once all are heard, public comments will be closed, and each speaker will be afforded 3 minutes. I also welcome the participants that are watching the meeting remotely. If you wish to speak and you're not here in council chambers, you must raise your hand by clicking on the reactions icon and selecting raise hand, and IT will allow you to participate in your public comments. And as well, if you're listening to the meeting via phone and you still want to participate in public comments, the only thing you need to do is raise your hand by pressing hashtag number 9, and we'll allow you to speak. So public comments is open. If you're here to participate, just approach the podium, state your name and address for the record, and thank you for being here. Just approach the podium.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. With that, again, we're in the special call, but even this 3-minute period, you can speak about whatever topic you want. So if you want to use 3 minutes now to talk about the budget, and then your other 3 minutes later, you can do that as well. All right, Madam Clerk, anyone online for the special call meeting? Public comments?
No participants online.
Through the mayor to the town clerk. I have people saying, texting me saying that there may be an issue with the live stream, just so you know.
Is it that they can't hear, or is it that they can't hear, or what? Can they provide more info?
They said that it was live and then it stopped.
IT, if you can, I know you're listening in your room, please let us know what's going on.
And is it just YouTube, or is it also Zoom?
They said YouTube. Okay. They said that it's up again. Oh, okay. That it's up again.
All right, perfect.
We did provide 2 links. If people are going to the town website, on the upper part of the screen, they click on it and it takes you directly. And Communications Department did that to make life easier for the residents. But it's 2 different links, one for the special call, one for the second budget. So I hope it's clear.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. With that, we're on item 7, which is the attorney's report section of the agenda. Mr. Attorney, Mr. Gustesi, please proceed. 7A, to discuss legal bond counsel for the renewal of the line of credit.
Yeah, we're going to handle it in-house, our firm. I think the amount that they was looking was 10 to 15,000 for legal fees.
The amount was 15 to 20.
15 to 20. Very capable counsel. It is certainly not a reflection on Mr. Del Castillo or his firm. I have a lot of respect for him as a friend, town resident, and everything else. But I really think this is something that I can handle. If for some reason I believe that there are issues that I can't, which I don't see them, I would of course let you know immediately, and then we could take action. We are not going to bill separately for this, although I think we're entitled to do this as a special project under our contract and everything else. I'm just going to do it under the firm's, under our usual monthly retainer, and just go from there. All right?
Okay.
That's my report.
The other thing is, on that resolution that you have attached, is also allowing administration to go ahead and start negotiating with Bank United for the renewal fee in order to be able to get the same or better interest rate.
Right. In other words, I believe we need authority to proceed. Then we're going to have ordinance. We're going to have an ordinance. We talked yesterday about what?
An ordinance in October.
October, and a follow-up in November.
I'll go ahead and move it. Is there a second?
Second.
Okay, it's been seconded by Councilman Garcia. Is there any discussion on this?
Just I want to say thank you to the town attorney. And this is the type of thing we're definitely looking for. Question everything. How can we do this in-house? How can we save the taxpayer dollars? Really appreciate your efforts on this. Thank you.
Anyone else? All right, seeing none, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, no. The ayes have it, and the motion carries. We are now in item 7B, an item to discuss the use of budgeted funds to hire legal counsel for blasting litigation. Mr. Attorney.
Yeah, we've been meeting with Councilman Hersberg. We've been working extensively behind the scenes, doing some research on different issues, state court versus federal court, certain legal issues that we see. I don't want to go into them a lot here, but some of you have approached me in the past about hiring outside counsel to really take a good look at it. We've been talking to Leonard Collins. He's based in Tallahassee, very good lawyer, very well connected, and we'd like to, I think you've budgeted $50,000 for the litigation, but we'd like to use $10,000 of that to retain his firm. We're going to put together a memo with what we think the legal issues are, present it to him, and then see what he thinks, and go from there. But that's where we are right now. The blasting stuff, although none of you have heard anything in the public or anything like that, there's a lot going on behind the scenes.
I'd like to move the resolution.
All right, it's been moved by the Vice Mayor. Is there a second? Seconded by Councilman Hersberg. Discussion. Mr. Vice Mayor, you want to begin?
No discussion.
Yeah, Councilman Hersberg?
I'll just state that, obviously I met with the town attorneys multiple times now. This is a good first move. It provides us with guidance, and it would be my position that a firm like this, an attorney like this, is based in Tallahassee, stays on board, not to do the majority of the
No.
work, right? The town attorney, who has a fantastic rate for the quality attorneys we have, to do the majority of the work and save us money, but we want someone there local, because it looks, I'll say this, we're likely filing there in Leon County. That looks like the likely place we would file this lawsuit, so we want someone there local, we want someone with that background. So this is a good first move, and this is a strong first step. And again, to reiterate, things are moving, and this is a good step to get us to moving forward.
Mr. Vice Mayor?
I just want to ask, what is Mr. Collins' hourly rate?
I believe it's $425.
$425. yeah.
Okay, thank
And
you.
that's reduced.
Yeah, no,
Yeah, yeah.
that's for
Mr.
this kind of
Collins-
attorney? Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank
Mr. Collins used to be the chief of staff for Marco Rubio, was a parliamentarian when he was the Speaker of the House. He's someone that knows the ins and outs of Tallahassee.
Perfect, thank you.
Through the chair.
Councilman Garcia.
Thank you, Mayor. This is the culmination of years of hard work from a lot of different people, councils, mayors, different iterations of the BAB, our current members up here who are on the BAB. And this is what the residents wanted, was for us to leave no stone unturned and do everything we can to provide relief. For the residents that are watching, this is the best way to move forward and to make sure we're putting your interest first. So 100%, a great job by the team, and I think this is a wonderful first step in getting this to get relief for the residents. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Any additional comments? I did want to ask, just to confirm, so this 10 of the 50,000 is coming from the legal reserves?
I believe you had set aside $50,000.
We budgeted
In
in
the
the coming
current
fiscal
budget year.
year.
All right.
In the next fiscal year that's starting in a couple days, 50,000.
Okay,
So this will come from that. It'll be
Mr.
a draw
Attorney?
on that.
okay.
But I don't know where they've been paying. We just sent in a bill, not a whole lot, but we just sent in a bill, so I don't know if it's going to come from that 50 or from our other budget. I'm just not sure. I don't want to mislead the council. This is not the only money. The 10,000 is not the only money that's been spent on this. Our firm has been billing at $200 an hour to do what we've been doing.
Okay. And obviously, we still have to have a discussion about potentially retaining an expert to be our future expert at any trial. Do we have any cost estimates on that yet?
I have not
Okay.
looked at that part. I want to make sure we have liability
Yes.
before we get to damages. I
Okay.
want to make sure we have liability.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and just to be clear then, the scope of work for retaining Mr. Collins would be for you guys to go over the statute, look at different causes of action, and again, confirm.
We have our opinions. Believe me, there's been a lot of work done, but we'd like some, quote, peer review, I guess.
Yes.
You know, something along those lines.
Of course, the law review guy would
Yeah.
bring up peer reviews and everything. Okay.
Mayor, for clarification, everything that's been billed up to now has been paid out of this fiscal year, so that 10,000 will be the first draw from the 50 for next
Okay.
year.
Okay, got
Okay.
it. Okay,
Through the mayor.
perfect. All right.
Mr. Mayor.
I'm sorry, Councilman Quadro
Quick
Garcia.
question. This question is for our town attorney, Mr. Gastesi. So he's pretty much well-knowledged in this type of law? And has he practiced this type of law?
There's no real expert on blasting law in the state of Florida. There aren't a lot of cases. If Councilman Herzberg is correct, I think only 12 cases have been filed since that statute was enacted. So there's no experts on blasting law in Florida. If you're asking me about constitutional stuff, challenges to state statutes and things like that, not only him but his firm are very well informed. The Gray Robinson firm is a statewide firm, very well respected.
Okay. Bottom line. Thank you.
Okay, with that, if there's no further discussion, all those in favor say aye. Aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed, no. The ayes have it, the motion carries. And we are now on item 8, public hearings, ordinances on second reading.